Today in the shop, I'm installing over fenders on my 2026 Yamaha Grizzly 700. These don't take a long time to install, but they'll make a big difference out on the trail. Get our instructions out, look them over, get our tools that we need, and then lay out our hardware to get this project started. Our instructions tell us to start with the left front. If you're new to putting on over fenders, you might want to get someone to help you to hold it in place, or use some painter's tape and just line it up and tape it down until you can get your holes drilled. I'm gonna go ahead and mark the holes, and I'm gonna use a 1/4-inch drill bit to drill the holes out. Get this first one lined up. You've got the long 20mm bolt, a washer, and you're gonna put that through, and then you're gonna put your spacer here. And then on the back side, you're gonna put the fender washer and the nut. You wanna make sure just to snug them up a little bit. You still wanna have room to work on this for the rest of the over fender before you lock anything down. And then we're gonna go ahead and do that same thing for hole number 2. Now for the vertical holes, you don't need a spacer, so you use a shorter bolt, and we're gonna put it through. We have all of our nuts and bolts in place. We're gonna go ahead and tighten them up. You don't wanna over tighten them because it'll definitely suck it right into the fender. Get the rear on here. Line this up, drill this first one. This is the same long bolt, spacer, washer, and the nut. We have all of our nuts and bolts in place. We're gonna go ahead and tighten them up. We got the front and the rear on the left side. Now all you gotta do is duplicate that on the right side, and it takes you about maybe an hour to put them on. Not a lot to putting these things on, but they do make a big difference out there in keeping you clean on those muddy trails. If you want more information on this, you can go to YamahaMotorsports.com or check out your local Yamaha dealer. We'll see y'all. Take care. Have a good one.